Hello dear professional and potential traders. Today, on the 17th of February, we are going to discuss the latest sensation on the world oil market. Successful oil troika meetings have been recently conducted. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the Russian Federation and Venezuela managed to come to an agreement to keep the rate of oil exploitation at the level of January. The question follows: why is the oil price continually decreasing, and what is the forecast for a ruble position? It was highlighted yesterday that Alexander Novak, Russian Minister of Energy, went to the state of Qatar to hold private negotiations with Ali Al-Niemi, a Saudi colleague, and Elogia Antonio del Pino Diaz, the Minister of Oil and Mining Industry. Negotiations had positive results. Participants came to an agreement to keep the rate of oil exploitation at the level of January 11th. This step is judged important in terms of completing pricing. But there's one point at issue. Oil extraction first is possible in case other major extractors will accept the initiative. Those extractors are not determined. However, Iran might create some barriers. The country was on a strong track after lifting of West sanctions at the beginning of the current year. The agreement with the Islamic Republic of Iran is under the question. Against that background, the exchange rate of an American dollar is quoted at 77.70 rubles on Moscow Interbank Currency Exchange. Euro is traded at 86.79. MICEX index grew up to 1,750 points, and Brent price is a bit higher than $32 per barrel. Iran doesn't tend to freeze oil extraction. The country is currently mining approximately 3 million barrels per day and night, while extraction of 4 million barrels were registered before sanctions. This is the value Iran will attempt to reach. At the same time, low cost and intention to occupy previous positions on the world market might encourage damping prices. Iran is quite sincere talking about this fact. Powerful instruments are required to convince Tehran authorities to freeze extraction. The United States of America will hardly support the initiative as well. What does it mean to come to an agreement with OPEC members if quotas on extraction are not taken into account by members of the organization? Nevertheless, yesterday's negotiations might be a sensation initially issued by Russia. In these terms, the Russian currency was listed at 76 rubles per dollar. Moreover, the value of 74 rubles is forecasted in a near term. In these conditions, the currency can be bought in order to divert savings. Dear traders, follow Analytics Online news that always provide the information of actual importance. See you in our next review with Analytics Online Company.